What's the meaning of autodafé? Autodafé. Autodafé.
Autodafé. Autodafé. The term auto de fe originated from the Spanish Inquisition and refers to public ceremonies where heretics and other individuals deemed to be enemies of the Catholic Church were punished. The literal translation is act of faith, but the ceremony involved various forms of punishment ranging from fines and public shaming to imprisonment, torture, and execution. These events were often spectacles that attracted large crowds and were designed to demonstrate the power of the Church and to intimidate those who might dissent. The result was a climate of fear and repression that persisted for centuries in many parts of Europe and beyond.